Today on 60-second favourites, we're going to be taking a look at the Minigrid range from Click. So let's dive in and check the products out. So here we have our Minigrid range of modules and plates. These are fully interchangeable and they're actually fitted as standard across our wiring accessory ranges. So these are really easy to install. You've got a simple single screw installation. So all you do is clip your module into the back of the plate, secure the screw down, and you've got tailored on-site switching solutions for whatever application you need. Modules include blanks, dimmer switch mounting kits, flex outlets, indicators, key switches, paddle switches, rocker switches, single, double, triple. Again, just a lot of variety for your switching applications. And as always, our mode, polar and partem ranges are manufactured using urea formaldehyde, allowing them to be antibacterial and antiviral certified. If you want to see more from us here at Click, then please check out the website at scolmore.com. We'll put a link in the description. And if you like these kind of videos and want to see more, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button below.